How to turn on notification on ORBOT. Are you guys facing issues to turn on notification or ORBOT application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn on notification on ORBOT, first of all, open settings on your mobile device. Once you open the settings, now just simply head over to this app. After you click on app, scroll down, click on ORBOT. After you click on ORBOT, you can see this option for notifications. Tap on it. Once you click on it, you can see this option for show notification. Just simply toggle it on. After you toggle it, you'll be able to get notification from ORBOT application. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to turn on notification on ORBOT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.